In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your documents by utilizing the drawing tools available in Microsoft Word. We're diving into something that could really transform the way you present your information, making it not only more engaging, but also visually appealing. So let's get started. First things first, open the Microsoft Word document where you'd like to add your drawings. You could be working on a report, a presentation, or maybe even some creative writing. This tool will work its magic on any document you choose. Once you've got your document open, you're going to want to locate the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is where Microsoft keeps all the tools you'll need to add a little more flair to your documents. Now look for the tab called Draw. It should be nestled among several other familiar tabs like Home or Insert. Once you click on Draw, you'll notice a whole array of options that pop up. You're probably wondering what all these tools are for, right? Well, let me walk you through. You've got a selection of virtual pens to choose from. Ideal for those of you who wish to annotate text or add handwritten notes. There are different types of erasers too, which means if you make a mistake, fixing it is a breeze. Need to turn your handwriting into shapes or mathematical equations? There are tools for ink to shape and ink to math for that very purpose. When you're ready to begin drawing, simply choose the pen that suits your style. Maybe you want to sketch out a quick diagram or even draw a simple picture to insert into your document. You have the freedom to express exactly what you need. At this stage, I'd recommend experimenting a bit with different pens and colors to see what works best for your particular document. And don't worry, you can always use the eraser to undo strokes that didn't go as planned. Once you've crafted your drawings and you're happy with how they look, take a moment to review your entire document to ensure that your new additions complement your existing content. You might want to resize your drawing or move it around to get the perfect layout. Word really offers pretty flexible options here, so feel free to adjust as needed. And there you have it. Your document should now be enriched with unique, hand-drawn elements that make it stand out. The whole process is straightforward but adds so much depth to your work. Thanks for following along today. If you found this tip useful, make sure to keep experimenting with these tools as they can add immense value to your documents. See you in the next video.